Hey everyone, we are here at the Design Studio on the Made4You.store website. And in this video, we are going to show you how to work with text in a basic way. And we'll have more videos on text in the future. You can see here that we've opened up the Design Studio. We have a product. This happens to be a photo product, but it could be any product. 8 by 10 in portrait mode. It's a blank canvas. We'll move over here to the toolbar on the left and we will select text. The first thing you see when you click on the toolbar is you have the options to enter different styles of text. We will do heading. If I left click on heading, it pops in our first text element. You can see here it says the word heading. Let's change that. Let's go over here to the little pencil which signifies edit. We'll click on that and we'll change the word from heading to speed, capital letters. I can manipulate the size of this. You can see that it shows you the size in real time, actual size, 1.24 inches by 4.3 inches, and that's referenced inside my 8 by 10. You can also see it here, 1.24 by 4.30. This number here is the X and Y position relative to the corner. I can scale this by dragging the corner up and down. And what that does, it does several things. You can see that the width and height changes in real time and the font changes. So if I just want to make the font size 200, I can select that, 200, and it pops in. I'd like to change the font, so we are going to use, in the font section here, we'll pull down the arrow. We have hundreds of fonts available. We use Google Fonts primarily and TrueType fonts. Google Fonts are free to use both personally and commercially. If you have a font that you need for your particular application, let us know. We can add it to the Design Studio. I'm going to switch over to this font, which I like a little better, for what we're going to create, which is a speed limit sign. You can see how that font size at 200 points got a little big, so we will select that and change it to 175. And we'll put that there. What we'll do now is we'll go up to the toolbar at the top and you'll see cut, copy, paste, delete. We have this selected. We will go copy, click down here, and we'll go paste. And it comes in and we will make this 175. We will edit it, come in here. Okay, now these two items here, let's actually copy it one more time. So we have it selected. We'll go to copy. We'll click down here and we will go paste. Oops, sorry. Select it and go paste. It did move it, but that's okay. We're going to fix that in just a minute. We'll come back here, click the little edit sign. And this we can make nice and large. Now, clearly we want these centered. So what we'll do is we will put our mouse off the screen, left mouse button, click and hold. So these three items are selected. Okay, we can also turn on grid. And with the three of them selected, I think I want the limit sign to be a little higher. I'll move that up. One thing we'll do next is we will go back out to the text tool. and just show you that if we wanted to, we could bring in subheadings, body text, paragraph text, curved types of text, different types of text properties. Now we're going to go back up to the word speed here, and we're going to go through the edit panel on the left-hand side. Again, we showed you that you can change the font. You can change the font size. With the word speed collected, we could, with the word speed selected, we can choose the letter case. Here we have none, which means as typed. We could also make it lowercase. We could also make it capitalized case. We could also make it sentence case. This particular application, we are going to go with capitalized case. We can change the line height. We can change the character spacing. That's the spacing between the characters. We can change the font. So here we'll select a red. Here's a red right here. We'll click OK, and our font turned to red. We have some preset colors here. You can also enter hex numbers. You can enter RGB. You can enter CMYK. We have text shape. We have none, which is selected. We can do a pinch. We can do a bridge. We can do arch. We can do bulge. The creative possibilities are limitless. And the number here affects the degree that the feature is enabled to. Let's go back to none. Again, we went over size and location. So XY is location from the upper corner. Width and height is the width and height of the text block. We can rotate it, select it, type in 0. Now stroke is the outline of the text. So right now we are set to a solid line. The stroke is 0, which is why you don't see it. Let's change the stroke to 4. So that's how you do an outline called stroke. You can also change the opacity. Okay, let's get rid of a few of these things. Let's change the font color back to black. Okay. And let's center all of those. Let's make this a little larger. Center it. And that finishes up part 1, which are some basics of how to manipulate text in the Made4You Design Studio. I hope that was helpful. Let's see you at Made4You.store, and thanks for watching.